Hi everyone, this is Shremay and today we would be discussing about a very simple procedure, that is hand rub. What is hand rub? I guess we all know that. Hand rub is basically a procedure in which we are using an alcohol based solution and applying over our hands in order to protect ourselves from viable microorganisms. According to CDC recommendations, the amount of hand rub that we should be using is a nickel shape or quarter of the palm size. That should be the amount of hand rub that we should take while performing hand rub. Other than that, it is also stated that 2.4 ml to 3 ml, but when we are doing surgical hand rub, 3 ml to 5 ml. So these are certain amount that is being recommended by WHO, FDA and CDC. Moving forward, there are two types of hand rub, that is medical hand rub and surgical hand rub. Now let us see what is medical hand rub. Medical hand rub is nothing but it is the normal application of alcohol based solution that we do quickly within 20 to 30 seconds in order to when we are going from one patient to another patient. So that is the time when we are doing medical hand rub. Now, what are the indications of doing a medical hand rub? The indication of hand rub would be there are basically 5 movements of hand rub. That is before going to the patient surrounding, after coming from the patient surrounding, before touching the patient, after touching the patient, and routinely before and after doing any procedure. So these are the 5 movements of hand when we are using actually hand rub. For alcohol based hand rub, only article that we need is an alcohol hand rub. This alcohol hand rub is basically having a composition of 90% of ethanol or isopropyl alcohol. This is the base of making this hand rub solution. So some general guidelines that we should follow for doing any hand rub is hand rub quantity should be taken enough so that the complete all areas of the hand should be completely covered. We should use the hand rub or we should keep on rubbing our hands till the time our hands becomes dry. If sufficient amount of alcohol based hand rub is being taken, after doing complete hand rub, it would dry up within 10 to 15 seconds. If after doing a hand rub, we have to wear gloves, in those cases, we have to make sure that our hands are dried up completely. Otherwise, wearing any kind of glove would be difficult. Other than that, for normal hand hygiene, hand rub can be used from one patient to another. As we have already discussed about the usage of having medical hand rub, let us follow the steps and see how medical hand rub is being done. So you will be again taking a quarts amount or 3 ml of solution in your hand. To begin with, step 1, take the alcohol based hand rub solution up to sufficient amount. Second step, palm to palm. Third step, in right palm over left dorsal, vice versa. Fourth step, interlacing of the fingers. Fifth step, interlocking of the fingers, where your right hand would be covering the left hand fingers and vice versa. Right palm over the left thumb in rotatory motion, vice versa. Rotate the right hand fingers over the palm of the left hand and vice versa. Isn't it easy? By the time you do all these steps, our hand is completely dry and you are ready to do your procedure or you are ready to visit your next patient. For more such nice, interesting and knowledgeable videos, connect with us, stay with us. Please like, share and subscribe Mediva.